ओके नमस्कार जी, वी रेडी। हम चल दिए अपना योगा क्लास के लिए और लेट तो नहीं है, अभी बस पहुंच जाऊंगा 9 बजे तक। सी यू इन सम टाइम। थैंक यू। नींद अच्छी आई वैसे, आज मन कर रहा था कि ना जाऊं बट ऐसे आलस तो आते रहेगा। सी यू, बाय बाय। लेट हो जाएंगे। किस धूप आज बिल्कुल भी नहीं निकल रही एकदम से, ऐसा या तो कोहरा है या पोल्यूशन है, बट ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे बारिश पड़ने वाली है। बादल हो गए हैं, एक तरफ बादल है एक तरफ नहीं। कैसे जाता है आज का दिन। तो बारिश पड़ेगी या नहीं पड़ेगी, बारिश पड़ेगी तो कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं। ऐसे तो होली से पहले पढ़नी होती है एक बार बारिश। ओके, शॉर्टकट लिया है हमने इसकी वाला। ओके, नए नए रास्ते। चलो, इतना कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, एक जगह बंद होता है दूसरी जगह चालू हो जाता है, खर्र खर्र सारा दिन। मुझे लग रहा है कोई कैफ़े बना रहे हैं, हर जगह पड़ी थी काफ़ी टाइम से, उनको याद आया कि इसमें कैफ़े बन सकते हैं और अच्छा होगा वैसे, हर जगह कैफ़े कैफ़े।
Over the chair. It's better to place the sheet over it. Take this foot out. Or you can use the back of your feet. Okay, everybody look. Let's go. I want you to grab the elbow. Yes. However, the toes should be on the floor like her and lift it all the toes. Toes should be free. Then grab the elbow and let the hip into the wall. Push me here. You see how the knee is turning? So push me out and at the same time pull the kneecap up. So force into out thigh and then pull the kneecap up. Breathe. Everyone, let's go. Yes. Now the one goes to the chair. Hold the chair from the sides. Use the force. Use the force of the hand which is going to push you back and push that heel back. Heel has to go back, 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 back. Good. Maintain. It's good, it's good, it's good. Bring the heel forward a little. That's the one, not that one. The front one. Yes, breathe. Now I want you to roll the back thigh in. Roll the back thigh in. Let's go. Rotate the inner thigh. Rotate the back inner thigh. Squeeze the buttock. Lift the thigh and throw the heel back. Yes. Roll the thigh in, roll the thigh in, roll the thigh in, squeeze the buttock and then open the back leg by pushing the front thigh to the back thigh and push the heel back. Maintaining the position, guys. Maintaining the position. Breathe. The one who does the block, they can even bend the knee if you want. But once you bend the knee, do not straight the knee. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go open. The one who is in the chair, they will move the hands with it down and they will arch the back. They will arch the back. You can even grab your knee as the heel if you want. Okay, push the hip forward. Push the hip forward. And now lift the thigh higher and higher. Higher and higher. Roll the thigh in. Maintain the position. 3, 2, and 1. The one who is in the chair is the position. The one on the ground, stay there. Stay there. Okay. You guys, switch the legs. Let's go. Breathe. Let's go. Yes. Place the chin onto the chair. Tuck the back foot. Yep. Tucking the back foot. Maintain the position. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Rotate the back thigh in. Rotate the back thigh in, everyone. Everyone, rotate the back thigh in. Squeeze the buttock. Squeeze the buttock. Yes, and squeeze your leg into the body, push your leg forward. Squeeze your leg into the body and push. Squeeze and push, squeeze and push. The one who's on the block, grab their heels. Grab their heels and move the elbow forward. Bend the elbow, move the elbow forward. Pull yourself down. Breathe for 5. Stay. The one who's on the chair, grab the heel or grab the knee. Or grab the side of the chair, arch your back. But be active with the back leg. Be active with the back leg. Lock the knee, man. Lock the knee, lock the knee. Push the heel back, push the heel back. Arch your back. Breathe for 5. 4, go down, party whatever, let's go. Arvind, let's go. What are you doing? 2, and 1. Bend the knees, grab the wings, slightly up. Up, switch, fasten the chair, and you go get up.
कि आज हमने बनाया है चावल, पनीर की सब्जी और रायता, बूंदी का रायता। छौंक के बढ़िया लग रहा है, शानदार एकदम टेस्टी। थोड़ा और नोट डाल सकते हैं क्या? वैसे ही खा के बताते हैं कैसा लग रहा है। देखने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, थैंक यू जी। खाना वाना खा लिया, रायता मस्त बना था, चावल मस्त बने थे एकदम। और अब हम चल रहे हैं वॉक करने। बारी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, 3 गिलास रायता पिया हमने। दैट्स वे टू मच। और ऐसे तो नींद आएगी। थोड़ी देर बाहर जाते हैं, उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या करना है। अभी वहीं बैठेंगे थोड़ी देर शांति से, वॉक भी हो जाएगी, थोड़ा मूड भी लाइट हो जाएगा। चलो जी, सी या।
This is what I want for now. Okay? Roll the skin of the knee up, roll the thigh inwards, and stay there. Let's go. Spread the legs. Go back. Yes. How's it? Is it better? Yes, because he moves the floor towards his ankle. Okay? Now from here, same actions. Same action whatever we have done so far. So he's gonna lift the buttocks up, he's gonna roll the top down. Show them? Yes. Very nice. Second action is you're gonna move this kneecap up and then bring the legs towards each other. And let me tell you, if my gap is this much, okay, and this much, and I want to go close, okay, it will be very difficult for me. Okay, so it's not necessary that you have to go all the way up, but yes, try to align the knee with the hips. Okay, because if it's too much, it will overextend, then you're gonna lean back. So that you don't want. Okay, but try to align the thighs with the knee. Internal rotation is keep on happening. Now roll the calf, roll the thighs in. Do this with here. Yes. All the way in. From here also. If you're going to do this action nicely, you will feel that the thigh wants to go towards each other. Okay? Now after this, he's going to move. Okay. You're going to move here. And this posture is going to touch his buttock, but not under the buttock, okay? And then he's going to take the support of the hands, move the hands back, just walk the hands back, slowly, 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 and then lie on back, bend the elbow, move the hands away, and then slowly lie on back. Okay? Very difficult for him because might be very tight quads. How's it? It's hard work, it's hard work. So what I'm going to do, move back again. Okay, I'm going to place one more bolster for him. Okay, one more bolster for him, but not here. I'm going to place the bolster here, like a stair. Okay, you see, it's not touching here, but it's a little back. Now move the hands back. Let's go. Let's try. Just like that. Just like that. Relax, relax. Hands to the side. Relax. Okay, it is very difficult for him. You can see his face. Okay, now. Can you move the camera to the front all the way to the front? I'm going to show them his knees. Now, you can see the gap between his knee is too much, and it's fine. Because if he try to do that, let me know what you feel. Move the thighs towards each other. How are you feeling onto the lower back? Move the thighs.
कि आज प्रैक्टिस शाम वाली मिल गई थी आज हमें। आज तो एकदम हिप ओपनिंग करी है आज सुबह और शाम को बहुत इस लुकिंग चलते हैं अपना ऊपर। अब लगी थोड़ी सी भूख, कुछ फ्रूट्स खाएंगे, बनाएंगे चाय और उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या करना है। खाना भी बना ही लेंगे फिर अपन खा के घूमने निकल आएंगे फिर से। क्योंकि आज शाम को आज बहुत गर्मी कौन क्या है मतलब लगे भूख कुछ बना ही रहते धुंध है, पॉल्यूशन है, पता नहीं क्या है, पॉल्यूशन ही है भाई। बादल तो है ना, पोल्यूशन देख लो कितना होगा इधर ऋषिकेश में, बहुत पोल्यूशन है भैया। कोई सारी दिल्ली अब इधर ही आ रही है रोज़।